Hi, welcome back to my channel, Chef Edward Cooking, and I'm here to show you how to make a vanilla buttercream frosting. So what you'll need is, you'll need 1 cup of butter. I have 3 cups of confectioner's sugar. I have 2 ounces of heavy cream and also a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Let's get started. So first, we're going to add the butter and the confectionery sugar. And we're going to add the guard on so I don't make a big mess. So we're going to cream the flour and the sugar. And once it starts creaming, then we're going to add the vanilla extract. We're going to wait a little bit and then add the heavy cream. We got to this point where it's starting to cream. Now, a quick little tip is you want your butter to be at room temperature when you're making frosting. Otherwise, it'll get grainy on you, and this will allow it to keep it nice and smooth. So now, you want to add the vanilla extract. And also, you want to scrape the sides. And this time is a good time to add the heavy cream. I add a little bit at a time. And basically you just let it go whisking away. And make sure you continually scrape the sides. And there we have it. This is our buttercream is finished. And now it's ready to put on a cake or a cupcake of your choosing. And here we have it. We have our fresh, homemade vanilla buttercream. Let's try it out. That's really good. If you'd like to see more recipes like these, please like and subscribe. Now it's your turn. Thank you for watching.